Hello everybody, welcome to AtNET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Kinetic Theory of Gases. This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2018. Of course, an interesting question. At what temperature will the RMS speed of oxygen molecules become just sufficient for escaping from the Earth's atmosphere? What an interesting question. So given mass of oxygen molecule M is equal to 2.76 into 10 power minus 26 kilogram. Boltzmann's constant Kb is equal to 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin or joule Kelvin per minus 1. So we are given four options. Option 1, 1.254 into 10 power plus 4 Kelvin. It's a temperature. Kelvin is a unit of temperature. Is it not? Okay. So in everything, in all the options, you are having 10 power 4 Kelvin. Okay, that's all. So in the second option, it is 2.508. And in the third one, it is 5.016. And in the fourth one, it is 8.360. Okay, that's it. So the molecules of oxygen are to escape from the atmosphere. Then the escape velocity of Earth. Did you hear about it? We have come across these things in the previous chapter, gravitation. So the escape velocity of Earth is 11.2 into 10 power plus 3 meter per second. So your RMS velocity must be equal to this value, only then the molecules will escape from the Earth's atmosphere. So that is the principle behind it. So V escape velocity is equal to V RMS velocity. V is escape velocity, its value is 11.2 into 10 power plus 3 meter per second, that you know very well, that you have studied in the gravitation chapter. So V RMS is the RMS speed of oxygen molecules. What is its formula? Square root of 3 kT divided by m. So everything is put in the bracket. The square root is applicable for all the values here. So let it be equation 2. Let it be equation 1. This is equation 2. So VE is equal to VRMS is equal to square root of 3 kT by m. Okay, that's all. Now m mass of the oxygen molecule 2.76 into 10 power minus 26 kilogram. That has been given in the question. Kb, Boltzmann's constant 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Substituting these values, V is equal to V RMS is equal to, because they are one and the same. So equal to square root of 3 kT by m. We get. So what is V? Escape VE 11.2 into 10 power plus 3. V RMS, that you are going to, you need not know it, because it is equal to VE, is it not? V RMS is also equal to 11.2 into 10 power plus 3. So that is square root of 3 into, what is K? 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 into T. What is T? This is what we are going to find out. So divided by M, 2.76 into 10 power minus 26. 2.76 into 10 power minus 26. Squaring both sides. So you square this, 11.2 into 10 power plus 3, the whole square. Here you remove this symbol square root. 3 into 1, 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 into T into 2.76 into 10 power minus 26. What you are going to find out? Capital T, temperature. So you keep temperature on one side LHS, you bring all the other things to the RHS. So T is equal to, this side 11.2 into 10 power plus 3, the whole square. Into, this is in the denominator, when it goes to the other side, it will come to the numerator, 2.76 into 10 power minus 26. And these things will come to the denominator, 3 into 1.38 into 10 power minus 23. Okay, you just look at this value. This is nearly 1.4. This is nearly 2.8. Why should you look at this? 1 14, 14, 2 14, 28. You refer table 14. 1 is to 14, 14. 2 into 14, 28. So if it is 1.4, it is 2.8. Then the ரெண்டையும் strike off பண்ணா you will get 2. Okay, that's all. So 11.2 into 10 power minus 3 the whole, plus 3 the whole square into, இது ரெண்டு அடிச்சிட்டா 2 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 3. Why this 10 power minus 3, sir? This is 10 power minus 23 in the denominator. When it moves up, it will become 10 power plus 23. Already you have 10 power minus 26 here. So you will get 10 power minus 3. So capital T, the temperature of the molecule, is equal to oxygen molecule, so that it can escape from the atmosphere T, is equal to 11.2 into 10 power plus 3 the whole square into இது ரெண்டு அடிச்சிட்டனால 2 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 3. What is this 11.2 square? 11 into 11, 121. Is it not? You know table number 11. So approximately, but you don't have 11, but 11.2. So approximately, let us write 125. Square of 11.2, 125. Into 10 power plus 3 was there. So when it is squared, you will get 10 power plus 6. Already you had it, 2 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 3. It means what? 2 into 125, 250. Into 10 power, here is a minus 6 and this is, here is a plus 6 and here you have a minus 3. So it means what? 250 into 10 power plus 3. Plus 6 minus 3, so you get 10 power plus 3 divided by 3. Answer varum 3வது, you know the table for 3. ஒரு 3 3 3 24, 8 into 3 24, 7 3 24, 1 10 3 9. So 10 அடிப்படி பண்ணா 83.6 into 10 power plus 3. This 10 power plus 3. So that is equal to 8.36 into 10 power plus 4. So 8.06 into 10 power plus 4 Kelvin is the right answer. Sir, here we get 8.36 and you say this is 8.06. We just applied an approximation here. 11. You do not know the exact value of the square of 11.2. As an approximation, you put 125. So out of this, its impact is 8.36. You get this 8.36. So when it goes to the accurate value, you will get 8.06 only. Okay. So already I told you that you must be able to, you must have some numerical ability. Your numerical ability must be sound in order to solve such problems. Okay, that's all. So the temperature of oxygen molecules must be T is equal to 8.06 into 10 power plus 4 Kelvin to escape from the atmosphere. So option 4 is the right answer for this question. So far you have seen 12 questions from the chapter Kinetic Theory of Gases in our channel. We will see one more question in this chapter in our next video. After that, we will see questions from some other chapters. Till the next video is aired. Thank you one and all. Thank you.